Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off download over cellular for Apple Music on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we swipe up to go down and tap on Music. Next, we go down to the Downloads section and then tap on Download over cellular. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once this is turned on, if Wi-Fi is not available, your phone will be able to download using cellular data or mobile data. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then from your Apple Music, you can tap on the songs that you want to download, add it to the library, and then you can tap on the download button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.